Hi everyone, my name is Eavheang. I am a third-year software engineering student at KT. Since high school, I have been passionate about solving the real-world problem through technology, especially through coding and design. I was always curious about how digital tools could improve people's lives. When I joined KT, everything changed. My life changed. KT not only provided me with the knowledge, but also pushed me beyond my limit. The hands-on experience and learning environment, the international professor, the exclusive internship, and the constant encouragement have sharpened my mind and my skill. Learning from international lecturers give me a global perspective on problem solving and inspire me to think and dream bigger, not locally, but globally. In my first year, I joined a competition called SmartSpark Plus, which challenged students to bring innovative ideas into real market. There where my project Data Center was born. It is a fun, interactive game designed to help young children to learn command alphabet. It combines my love for game development and my desire to give back to my community. And I am proud to say that Data Center won first place in the competition. The win wasn't just a trophy. It was a step closer to my dream of becoming an entrepreneur and making meaningful change through technology. My internship at KT was another turning point. I worked on a real software development project where I experienced how teams collaborate, how tasks are managed, and how to tackle problems under pressure. It helped me grow, not just technically, but personally as a person and as a leader. I become more independent, confident, and ready for the real-world tech industry. I chose KT because of its uniqueness that focuses on project-based learning. I like that it's not just about theory, but also about building a real product, working with a real team, and solving real problems with guidance from both local and international mentors. I grow faster than I ever imagined. To the one who want to join KT, if you are passionate about technology and want to turn your idea into reality while you are a student, KT is a place for you. It's more than just a university. It is a launchpad for your dream, a space to grow, and yes, you will be challenged, but you will also be inspired. And most importantly, you will discover what you are truly capable of.